Hi everyone, I am going to read a story. This is called Little Bird's Day by Sally Morgan and Johnny Warrkatja Malibirr. Little Bird's Day. Here comes sun rising and shining. Time to wake up, little bird. Time to sing the world alive. I warble with sun to wake the lazy sleepers. Can I see there? Can see an echidna, kangaroo, looks like a frill-necked lizard, a frog, dragonfly, an emu. Here comes wind blowing and gusting. Time to eat, little bird. Time to feast in the flowers. I circle with wind to reach the crimson blossoms. Here comes cloud, huffing and puffing. Time to play, little bird. Time to spin across the sky. I travel with cloud to chase my feathery friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 birds. Here comes rain falling and splashing. Time to bathe, little bird. Time to sparkle with freshness. I flutter with rain to wash my fuzzy feathers. Here, it's hanging out its feathers to dry. Here comes dusk, gliding and sighing. Time to fly, little bird. Time to make a nightfall roost. I journey with dusk to find a welcoming tree. Here comes moon, glowing and whispering. Time to rest, little bird. Time to settle with your family. I nestle with moon and dream I'm flying amongst the stars. There we are, all in the tree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 birds in the tree and the big full moon. And that's the end of our story. There we are. I enjoyed that. It's called Little Bird's Day. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye.